You don't.
I don't
You don't.
entertain. Let me just put it that way.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, I feel you now. I feel you.
If I do, it won't be that much of lot size also. But see it shift away, then I'm start to know now. Yeah, now we are working on something that I trust.
For safety's sake, it must just shift away.
Yeah,
Then that one is proper, legit.
yeah. If it does
Okay.
way comes back, just know that it's a risky trade. You can expect anything. Let me just put it that way.
Yeah.
If it plays out good, if it top loss, because it was a risk anyway that you were taking.
Okay. Yeah, I feel you, man. Thank you.
Good questions, though. Some things learn. Okay, so yeah, did it? Did it? Which one happened on Monday? This is a weekly. So even here, me, I want the last candlestick. That's what I want. If this candlestick was the one that got engulfed, I was going to highlight it. But this will be risky. This will be risky because this is not the last. Yeah, I want the last one. Shift away. Unless if there's something inside here. But still, you find that there might be something inside here which makes it less chances when it comes again, it will respect. Can you see? Order block. Can you guys see? Order block. Market turned exactly inside. That's why it's failing now because it has tapped in before. That's why this one is doing funny things. That's why this one is doing funny things when it came here. It's because this area has been tested before. That's why now it's doing funny things. Okay. So yeah. So all those guys, you just have to backtest and play around your charts. You'll find consistent within you. You'll find it within you. As soon as you start playing around charts, you start identifying these things. My mentor used to tell me, once you see it, you can't unsee it. Once you start learning it, you can't unlearn it because you will see for yourself how this is powerful. There's nothing more you need after this. There might be that I know of, but for now, this is it. Yeah. I think someone was saying something. Eurocat. Okay. What were you seeing there? Were you seeing something?
Yeah, on H1. Yesterday.
Yesterday.
Yeah.
Is it this?
Yeah.
I see what you see. 1, 2, came back. Yeah, that's why it failed. Can you see how many candlesticks get shifted away? It's just 3. Then it came back and failed. That means this one is strong. This supply over here, this one, strong.
Okay.
And it's slightly closed underneath. Respect. So that's why this one failed. It's because the market was coming for this one. So it just passes everything there. But on that one, the one you showed me, I think it's this one. That's why it failed. Even here, it left another one. Left another one. Got respected. This one it didn't respect, hey? Because the market was coming for that one. That one was inside there. That's why it failed. That's why it failed. So you see why. So you must always find a reason why.
Yeah, I see now.
Find a reason why. I think good. Yo, can you see what happened here? Hi. I just identify the order block on M5. Look here, look at your entry, man. I see everything, but look at your entry. Remember I said once it starts entering inside, trigger, stop loss outside this area, 5 pips outside here. Look here, enters, trigger. As soon as it reverses, I think that's more than enough. If your stop loss is too tight and it's $50 maybe, imagine how many $50 are inside here. And then it shifts away, goes, off it goes. So if you miss that, I I don't know, you'll stress. But let's see. I want to see something. I want to see if there's another one inside there. Like inside. Here is it that I see. So let me go and find out what happened here. Yeah, still tapping. Tap, pa, drop. Stop loss outside. How many pips is that? 4, 3 pips. 3 pips stop loss. It's nothing. 3 pips stop loss. That's nothing. Market drops. Yeah, this whole drop of it till here, targeting another order block. Enter here, you switch position. You're going up. It goes up from here to here. That's more than enough. Especially with the lot size you'll be using. So you ping pong, ping pong, ping pong. Next thing you're selling, next thing you're buying. Hey, too much. It's too much. Once you're out here, because remember, trail. That's the best thing you can do. Trail. When you're out here, you are there. Can you see that? That's why. That's it, guys. That is huge. That is huge. There's another one here. Maybe you would have taken a risk. Maybe. If you took a risk here. Yeah, you'd have got something. Okay, inside here. Shut up. This is enough compared to maybe it's 1:5. 5 times more your stop loss, 6 times more your stop loss. Okay, so that's that. So that H4 strategy is the same as, so that H4 strategy is like this. H4 to one of trend line. Chart needs to be clean. So it's the same as the beginners, but now you're focusing on higher time frames. So you just check here. So this is the highest point. The market still needs to come here. This is the lowest point. So I remember, when was it? Last year, during advanced mentorships, I was dragging this here. 1, 2, and 3. And it made a last case and went up. So I was always saying to the students that focus on buy opportunities. Market is going to touch here. Then you can start focusing on selling opportunities. And then I said, if the market breaks this area, focus on this one. That means we are coming here. If the market breaks this one, that means we are coming here. So for now, we are focusing on this one. So since then, you can see I'm on weekly time frame. It's been going up. And I've been saying to them, focus on buy opportunities on this pair. So now here, H4, every time the market goes down, you take a trend line, you draw 1, 2, 3. It goes up, you buy, you hold. 1, 2, 3. You buy, you hold. Okay, every time it goes down, whereas it's supposed to be going up, you buy and hold. Here, it did nothing much, just move sideways a bit. Here, it did nothing much. but maybe